Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 1. Our today's topic is times table. So my dear student, let us start our class. Our today's lecture number 8 of half yearly 2021, and our today's topic is times table 8. My dear students, in our previous classes we have already learned how to write times table, okay, in our CW or SW copy. So my dear student, let us start how to write times table. So here times table 8. So in order to write times table, so what can we do now? At first we write TO and TO. So now here we write 8, multiply sign and 0. 8 0 is 0, 8 ones is 8, 8 twos is 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, and 8 10s are what? 8 10s are 80. So my dear student, this is our today's times table. Okay, so now please read with me. 8 zeros is 0, 8 ones is 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. So my dear student, you must learn this very carefully, and you have already know the importance of times table. If you don't able to learn times table, then you cannot do solve multiplication and division. So it is mandatory to learn times table very carefully. My dear students, we have already taken all the classes of times table 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have already finished our classes on based of times table. Okay, my dear student, next day we shall take the class based on word and even number. So be prepared, and my dear students, I hope you have understood my today's lecture. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum.